Good afternoon, sir. So, ito po yung aking program exercise number 5. So, una po, look for repeat. Let's run po, magbibigay lang po siya ng for loop, about for loop po, information about for loop. Next, let's run this code po. Ito po ay ABC lang po, lalabas lang po yung value ng A, B, and C. Next, input X. Yan po. Let's put input number X as 1/3. Given in the book and run the other codes, baka po lumabas yung ibang value niya, which is same lang naman po. First is rational, next is long, next is exponential, hex, short na exponential, and short lang po, and display the value of X. Next naman po is converting Fahrenheit into Celsius. Let's run the code and put a sample value of Fahrenheit, sample 90, and lalabas po yung equivalent Celsius niya, which is 32.22. Next naman po, ang nabunda po sa akin is cone surface area since ang seat number ko is 33. Let's input the radius. Oops, mali yung pinag-inputan natin dito dapat sa command window lagi. 12 ang radius, 12 ang height. Lalabas siya ng value ng 56.46 po. Yan po yung value ng surface area of the cone. Next, dito naman tayo sa 2D graphic output. Let's run figure 1. Ito po yung lalabas sa figure 1. Ito po yung lalabas sa figure 1. And figure 2 naman po is this one. Yan. Ang figure 3 po, making x units equal, ibig sabihin po yung y and x axis niya, magiging same po ng value as makikita po natin sa graph. Next naman po, plot figure 4. Ang gagawin po ng figure 4 is, gagawin niyang yung days versus first column, asterisk na blue, and days versus second column, red circle. Next, this is po yung first column versus second column. Ang kakalabasan niya po is black X. And creating ascending order po mula first column to second column. Ito po yung kakalabasan. Next, sabi dito, draw a circle. Magdodrawing po tayo ng circle sa gitna. Ito po. And polar plot of a spiral. Yung circle po, gagawin natin isang spiral sa loob. Which is this one. Next, gawa naman po tayo ng yung binigay na code, which is plot several types of graph. If you run this code, meron po siya iba-ibang graph. Just, ito po yung una. And mag-enter lang po tayo sa command window. Nalabas po yung pangalawa. And another enter sa command window, yung last po. Ito po yung last. Next naman po, lipat naman po tayo sa 3D graphic output. Since given na yung code, i-run lang po natin yung code. Ito po. And after that, enter lang po sa command window. Magpapalit na po. And enter ulit. Magpapalit na po ulit. Ayan po yung last na figure po, which is figure 3 sa 3D graphic output. Next naman po is mathematical function. Run lang po natin yung code since may value na tayo na F1 and F9 na nilagay. Save natin as file rin po. Different file pero same folder po ng mathematical function. Run lang po natin. Maglalabas na po ng code. Thank you, sir.